Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this sample that you get from Similac StrongMoms for expecting mothers. Okay, so you can see this is a pretty big box, right? And I'll open it up in a second and show you what is inside. But basically, over here it says free samples and $100 in coupons inside. So this is the box, right? So let's open it up and see. Alright, so here is just basically some information. We promise to help support all parents. Alright, so let's see what's actually inside. Alright, so these are, I'm assuming, just some coupons. Alright, so this would be the, I guess, the official book. And they have some pretty good coupons. Let's see. So $5 off, you know, you guys can see, seems really good. You know, it's a pretty good discount because, you know, this is something that can be used. It's not like some other coupons where, you know, just random stuff of what you don't really even need, right? But this is actually useful. Let me just count how many are in here. So we can see there are 4 in here. Right, 4 coupons, and then there's this coupon for the thermometer, which is $5 off, right, and that's a rebate, so keep that in mind. This is free standard prints from JCPenney Portraits, right, that's that. So these are the different types of Similacs that they have. Similac Pro Advanced, Pro Sensitive, Non-GMO, right, and what is this? Prefer to receive your savings on Amazon. So if you have the coupons, you can save it to Amazon and just use it from there. Okay. So put that to the side. These are some more coupons that you will probably get. So these ones aren't the greatest. You know, I have gotten these coupons from another book, but the thing is, shipping is like $15, so the item itself ends up being, you know, at least $15, and in my opinion, some aren't really worth it, but others might be. So it's just depending on what you really want and what if you think it's worth it. All right, so now let's look at the actual samples. So we get 4 of these. These are pro sensitive, so if you have a baby that's really sensitive, then these will be good for you. Okay, so 4 of these, and then we have the 4 of, what are these? So I guess these are the non-GMO ones, right? The one, I guess, no artificial growth hormones for supplementation. Okay, so we have 4 of these, and then we also have these. So what are these? So these are Pro Advanced. I think Pro Advanced are the regular ones, right? The ones you normally buy, they're just Pro Advanced. So you can see, so there's a total of 12 of these. Okay, so 4 sensitive, 4 Pro Advanced, and then the 4 non-GMO. All right, and you also get a replacement top for a bottle, right, and you get some butt paste. Okay, so this is basically for diaper rashes, right, and of that sort. So really, I guess since it is from Similac, the main thing they're advertising is the milk, right, and the formula. So, you know, for that you get a lot of that. In my opinion, it's pretty good. Definitely worth the time to sign up. It doesn't really even take that long, right? So sign up, and you will probably have to wait a little while to actually get it, right? So I remember I signed up maybe, what was it? It's been a few months, at least 2-3 months, right? So you know, you just got to be patient with these things. Some companies really give it, you know, when you're about to expect, right? And some would give it in the beginning. It really depends on you know, what the company is, because it wouldn't make sense to get the formula like, let's say 4 or 5 months in advance, right? So that wouldn't really make sense. But overall, good thing. Definitely worth the time to sign up. If you have time, definitely go ahead. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. If you guys have any other samples that you think that I should go sign up for and try, let me know. Other than that, yeah, make sure to like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.